What's up, everyone? This is Bill with BLR Tuning. You guys know what time it is. Today we are wearing the Invicta Bolt Zeus. This is the limited edition red and white graffiti edition. Pretty cool little watch there. Today I got a little video for you guys. My friends over at K Speaker have sent me out a set of Bluetooth speakers. They are for your motorcycle. They're universal, so they'll mount on any motorcycle. They use a 12-volt system. So we are going to open these. We're going to take a look at them. These are going to be $89 on Amazon. There'll be a link in the description below. I'll put a screenshot up here what they look like. They do have them in black. I think the black's a little more expensive, but I will have a link to these ones down below. And I'm going to be giving these away. So the first person to use discount code FREESPEAKERS on our website, that'll be blrtuning.co. I'll put everything across the screen here. First one to use that discount code is going to get $1 off your order, but you're going to get these speakers right here that I'm showing on camera in the package with your order. So spend $100 or more on our website, you're going to get these, $89 value. I'm just going to give them away to a customer. Figure that's the best way to do it, through the new website. So I'm not going to be fully installing them today, but I am going to hook them up so you guys can hear how they sound, the quality. I'll let you guys know what I think of them, and show you everything about them. Okay, so let's do the unboxing here. Okay, so I got us a little towel here so we can just set everything on there, not scratch it up. We're just out here in the shop. Okay, so these things are packaged up really nice. So show you how everything looks. It's covered in foam here. Okay, K Speaker, they do have a little, and this is their S7 audio system here. So they're a 3-inch weather-rated Bluetooth speaker. A pretty straightforward install. Pretty typical power cord, power and ground. They do have a clamping system, and it's got multiple different rubber pads, whatnot, so they'll fit multiple size handlebars. Okay, so you can see how they show them right there hooked up to the Harley. Okay, pretty straightforward. Pretty good little installation guide. And like I said, everything is covered in foam. Very nice little setup here. Here's the little brackets. Okay, so like I said, you got different pieces of rubber to fit different handlebars. Clamp them on there. That's how the brackets are. You know, pretty typical 1-inch to 7/8 inch. 7/8 is the most common handlebar, but 1-inch will be oversized bar. These will fit them. These will fit my bars on my Harley. They'll fit the bars on the Ryker, the Z400, the Honda Grom. They'll fit any of those bikes. And it does have a antenna because it does have a radio. So it's got a little 3M back here. Antenna with an antenna hookup. Okay, so you can get in your FM radio. Okay, power cable. Lots of zip ties. And then here's the, see here. There's your hardware. Allen wrench to tighten down the bolts. They even include the Allen wrench to tighten down the bolts. Nice heavy power cable here. Okay, so we'll get the speaker out of here. This is the main one. This is the one that's got the power. And they are nice and heavy. I mean, they feel like extremely good quality. They feel very heavy duty. Okay. And then they do have a mounting post as well. So you could get very creative with the mounting options, as they do have a threaded hole here. For mounting these. Okay, so the way you would mount them, the way they come with the handlebar clamp here, bolt goes through that, clamps down, clamps into there. But you could get very creative, because on a custom build, something like that, a different type of install, you know, for example, the Ryker, a lot of people mount the pod speakers and stuff in different places. A bolt can go through a body panel and into here to mount them as well. Okay, so very trick little setup to have that right in. And they are metal. Like, these are heavy. So you do have power mode right here and here. Okay. Little 3.5-3-inch driver. And there's that one, and then this one is the one that's going to plug into that harness, and that harness comes all the way down to your battery connection and connects to the battery. Okay, so that's everything that you got in the box. Okay, so we can get this one out of the package and take a look at everything. They are packaged up really nice. Like, there's no way that they're not going to get all scratched or anything in the packaging. So they did an extremely good job. And the finish on them, I mean, it's got that chrome finish on them. And the black ones, I believe they look kind of like a black chrome by the photo, but really nice looking. Okay, so there we are. There we are. They do have a oh yeah, you got a little cap over the antenna in case you decide to not use the antenna cable. So you got a little cap over it to protect it. They even have a customer service number there, an 800 number. So pretty sweet little system. So we will go get it all installed. So we're going to be installing the wiring harness, and then we'll plug them up and let you guys hear it. Okay, guys, so we have the Harley here, and we got one of the speakers. I just wanted to give you guys an idea as to how they would look, you know, sitting up here on the handlebars. I mean, they look sharp. The chrome finish is extremely nice. So, I mean, you could definitely get them up here on your handlebars, you know, or even, you know, out here on the bars, sitting out here like this. Like, they would definitely look sharp. Nothing wrong with them at all. You know, you could even mount them back here for your passenger. Right, so not a bad design. And when I say heavy duty, I mean they are heavy duty. You know, and then we can take a look over here, what they might look like on the Grom. You can put them in here on the handlebars, on the little Honda Grom. This is what one would look like sitting on a Kawasaki Z400. And then the bike that everybody wants to see them on, the Can-Am Ryker. Now, if you have something like this set up here, the docking station, you could utilize one of those bolt holes and go right through the bolt and mount them right there on the docking station and not worry about using the clamps. But the clamps do have rubber form like I showed you, so they're not going to scratch your bars up, and they look really sharp. So you could definitely put them out here on the Ryker. It wouldn't look bad at all. Okay, so let's get them hooked up to a battery and see how they sound. Another really unique feature about these speakers is the piece that goes to your positive and negative terminal. That is also the same piece that you would use for a battery tender. So it comes with that piece, which means you could put that piece on your battery and then plug a battery tender into it and unplug this. Or if you already have one, like on our Ryker here, all of our bikes already have the battery tender cable. So you can see we got the cap off. So that is connected to our battery already. And then from the speaker, this just plugs in, and now the speakers are connected. Now, if we ever want to plug that battery tender in, all we do is unplug that. So we didn't even have any other wires that we need to install down here. So I'm just going to leave the ones that came with it in the bag. Those are going to be with it brand new in the box. And we're just going to plug it right into this one that's already here on the bike. Pretty cool setup. If you already have one of these battery tender cables, we use Optimate 3 on all of our, we have them all over the shop and all over here at the garage. So there you go. Every bike's got one. We can plug them into any bike and just hear how they sound. So I'm going to plug them in, and then we'll turn them on and let you guys hear. Okay, so we got them hooked up on the Can-Am Ryker here. They are powered up and are plugged in down here, like I showed you. And then all you do is you press the power button, press down on this. This is also volume. And then this can be track forward, push down to switch modes, push down to pair Bluetooth. So we're going to push it down once. Should power on.
Bluetooth motto.
Okay, so there's powered on. Okay, we can turn our volume down here. If you click this,
FM tender.
so it's going to go to FM. It's going to be loud, staticky. There's no antenna on it right now.
Bluetooth motto.
Okay, so there it goes. That's full volume. Okay, so they should be looking for Bluetooth. So we have a tablet over here. Okay, we got the little Surface Pro here. We'll just use it. Coming near to Bluetooth. Show Bluetooth devices. Should be pretty straightforward. We're looking for S7. Pair with a new device. Audio devices. Okay, we'll wait till it shows up. Should be S7 audio. There it is. So you can see there it says S7. So it's not connecting to the speakers. There you heard that little chime. That was it connecting to the speakers. Okay, so it's now connected. And then I have the little YouTube audio library here. So we can use some non-copyright music. Let's go check it out. Okay, so there you go. Oh, geez, these are loud. Wow, they sound clear too. So that's what the volume's like on 1. You see if I go down one more notch. Okay, so let's take it out here and hear it. They're not at full volume yet. That's wild. Those are loud. But they sound good. Wow, I'm impressed. For $89 set of speakers. Those sound better than the JBLs we had on here before. That's full volume. That's impressive. They got good bass to them. They're not going to hit that super deep note, but they definitely got some good bass to them. They're clear. Impressive. They're a waterproof design, so if you get caught in the rainstorm, they're not going to hurt. You're not going to hurt them. I should say water resistant. Don't quote me on the waterproof. I wouldn't drop them in a mud puddle, but man, for $89, geez. So anyway, this code's only going to work once. First person to get it gets it. So if you go to the website and you try entering the code, it ain't gonna work, and it don't work, that's because they're already gone. Okay, so it's discount code free speakers. I'll put it across the screen, all capital letters. Discount code free speakers. Anyways, guys, I'm blown away. I'm blown away. For something $89 to sound that good, I mean, you would definitely hear these going down the road when you're on the bike in a helmet. So, anyway, like I said, man, my word, one person. I have one set, which is this set here, okay? And you've seen what we did here. This is it. They're not getting installed or nothing crazy. All the hardware, everything else, even the cable to hook to the battery, all the zip ties, all that's still brand new in the package. Antenna's never even been plugged in. It does have that FM antenna right there. One person. Use discount code free speakers, all capital letters. It's already live on the website right now. It's been live on the website for a minute. So And when I say for a minute, I mean we put it up there this morning. So it's live right now. As soon as you see this video, spend $100 or more. That discount code will get you $1 off, but it's going to get you these speakers also. Okay, and they're going to get shipped out with your order. You won't be paying the shipping, I will. Once that discount code is used one time, it's automatic will disappear and won't be usable. So if you're trying to use it and it's not working, that's because they're already gone. And I'll put it down in the description. I'll put a notification as soon as they're gone. There'll be a notification down there in the description letting everyone know that they are gone, so you can check there to see if they're still available. But there'll also be a link in the description below this video to go purchase them on Amazon, $89. Okay, go check out our website, blrtuning.co. Okay, we've got tons of products on there. We're going to be carrying more products here very shortly. We are working on it. It's a lot to keep up with and a lot to maintain, but obviously it's a work in progress. We have tons of parts on there for the Ryker and many other motorcycles, including tuning devices. We did add the DynoJet PV3. We are a licensed DynoJet dealer, so we can do the tuning work on your motorcycle, your Ryker, your Harley, your Z400, your Honda Grom, whatever. Anything that runs EFI, we can do the tuning work on. Okay, so go check out our website. Pick yourself up a set of hub covers, a set of center caps, grab yourself a radiator protective grill. The intake protective grills, you could easily rack up $100 and get yourself some free speakers sent out. Gear shift lever, key tag, more parts coming soon, including some parts for the back end here, like our badges. Okay, so go check us out, blrtuning.co. Huge shout out to K Speakers for sending these out and helping me organize this little giveaway. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm gonna box these up and get ready to ship them out to you guys. Crazy. Little things jam. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.